Okay, so have you seen that dessert that's been absolutely blowing up social media? Today, we're diving into the Teh Tarik Crème Brûlée. It's this incredible fusion that mashes up the worlds of Singapore and France into one totally delicious dessert.
You know, it really all starts with that sound, that super satisfying crack when your spoon just shatters that thin, glassy layer of caramelized sugar. But, and this is the amazing part, underneath it's not the vanilla you're expecting. Nope, this is where a bustling Singapore coffee shop crashes right into a classic Paris patisserie.
So what is it that makes this dessert so special? Let's break this thing down, deconstruct it. We're going to look at its two very different halves to really see how they create something so new and exciting.
On one side, you've got crème brûlée. It's that elegant French classic, right? The absolute definition of a refined dessert. And on the other side, Teh Tarik, a loud, vibrant Singaporean staple that people just love for its strong, comforting flavor. I mean, they're from completely different worlds, but somehow they make one incredible dessert.
Okay, let's start with the foundation. To really get this fusion, we first have to talk about the timeless elegance of the crème brûlée.
So a classic crème brûlée is all about that contrast, the texture. You have this cool, silky, rich custard base, and then it's set against that brittle, warm, torch sugar top. It's a cornerstone of French pastry for a reason. It's so simple, but it's also just perfect.
Now let's jump across the globe and look at the other half of this dessert's identity, the part that gives it its unique heart and soul.
You know, Teh Tarik is so much more than just a drink. It's a cultural icon. The name literally means pulled tea, and it comes from this really cool theatrical way they pour it back and forth to cool it down and get that signature foamy top. The flavor is strong, bold, aromatic. It's just one of those things that's instantly recognizable and deeply loved.
So what happens when you smash together an elegant French technique with a bold Singaporean flavor? Well, you get the perfect recipe for a viral dessert. And it's not just a gimmick either. The bold, kind of bitter notes from the tea are the perfect thing to cut through the sweetness of the custard. It creates this beautifully balanced flavor. It's familiar, so it's comforting, but it's just unique enough to be really exciting and, totally shareable.
So that brings us to the kitchen. How in the world do you actually bring these two culinary giants together into one dessert that actually works? Let's get into it. The ingredient list? It's surprisingly simple. You just start with a really strong brew of Teh Tarik. Then you've got your usual suspects for custard: eggs, sugar, and cream. And of course, you need some brown sugar for that essential crunchy topping. See, simple parts, but they build something pretty complex.
And the process itself is a really careful fusion. It all starts with brewing a super potent Teh Tarik, because you want that flavor to punch through. Then, that tea gets infused right into the custard base. From there, it's baked really gently until it's just set. And for the grand finale, a little sprinkle of sugar gets hit with a torch to create that signature crackable crust.
So what's the final experience actually like? Well, this is where that classic French technique really meets the everyday, beloved vibe of a Singaporean coffee shop.
Just picture it. You get that whole ceremony of cracking the crème brûlée, but instead of vanilla, bam! You're hit with the warm, aromatic, slightly bitter notes of Teh Tarik. And that bitterness is the secret weapon. It's the perfect balance to the rich, sweet custard. It's a total sensory journey. It's a dessert that tastes like a memory and something brand new all at the same time.
This whole dessert just proves that culinary rules are totally meant to be broken. It really leaves you with a fun question to chew on. If you could fuse any two dishes or flavors from totally different cultures, what would your ultimate creation be?
So, that's our look at the amazing Teh Tarik Crème Brûlée. It's just a perfect example of how fusion food can create something truly special and unexpected. If you're feeling inspired, get out there, explore more, and jump into the conversation online. Thanks for joining me on this one.